This is a concerned face, and I'm worried. What is this supposed to mean?
That your insurance expired 2 days ago.
Oh gosh. Oh man, he's just turning into a piece of pizza. Oh, I was trying to help. I was trying to help. I swear I was trying to help. Poor guy is just... How about we just go to sleep? Wallet, let's just go... Actually, you know what? Yes, let's pupate. Let's pupate. This will fix it, I'm sure. If we just pupate, surely it'll fix it, right? Wallet needs to, oh. You got... What is going on here? You are just something else. He looks like a kangaroo. Eat your cocoon. No! Eat it! Stop! Wallet needs to stop doing this and needs to sleep. Sleep will solve your problems. See, now he's happy. Those two little guys, they're so tiny. Oh, French fry. Oh, let's just go over here. Maybe we should just, I want the bag to do stuff, but also it seems it's causing a little bit of distress among the community of our doggos. I'm going to just put it in the corner by the TV. I need more walls. Alright, there we go. Now all the food is gonna be in here because the food is everywhere and it's driving me absolutely nuts. We're gonna have all the food in here. No! I said in here. Oh my gosh! Stop! No! I'm trying to grab it. It needs to come with me. Come with me. Okay. Now, this is where they get their food. Nice selection of food over here. Now he's going away. See, massive litter. Alright. Oh, we got a fan. Oh, yeah. Expand a... Oh, doggy sack. Okay. Doggy sack. They found the food. This is very good. Oh, they laid a capsule too. Let's see what we got. Ooh, we got Halloween stuff. Okay, let's hatch Dogless. There he is. He's still a small little guy. He got purple. This is the kind of guy I wanted. I wanted a purple one, and now I have a purple one. He's a dog, and he has less. He never was a dog. He's Twitch. Oh my gosh, what is he doing? Are you okay? He looks like he's having problems, but he's acting happy. This is concerning. He doesn't... No, he's... Let's just... You're just gonna... Yeah. Let's eat. There you go. And you need somebody to play with. Where are they? They're hanging from the ceiling. He's still getting darker. But now he's turning orange, which is good. He's going orange. And then French fry. French fry. Oh gosh. French fry folds. Go get him, French fry. Go get him. Go get him. Oh, he got away. Big Mac got away. No, go get him. Oh, he went after him. In this Wobble household, there's no calm. Okay, let's hatch sandwich. Let's clean this up. Oh! Whoa! That is cool. Okay, so we're gonna feed them squash and squash and pumpkins, and we're gonna make them nice and beautiful. Chicken nuggets. We haven't had chicken nuggets in a while. Let's do that. No, I need to press the button. No, I need to press the button. Please let me press the button. Thank you. Oh, for the freaking heck's sake. We're gonna call this done. Oh my gosh. Pumpkin goes flying. We're gonna... No, I don't want that to happen. Let me please put it in the bin. Let me put the pumpkin in the bin. Let me put it in the bin. Thank you. He's going. He's going.
Yeah.
Bam. Oh my gosh, what is that face? Are you okay? What is wrong with you? Is there something wrong? This is a concerned face, and I'm worried. What is this supposed to mean?
That your insurance expired 2 days ago.
Oh my god. Okay, now they're getting a little bit of... No, Big Mac! I knew this was coming! Yes, I'll watch Big Mac for a little bit. Oh dear. Don't you run away, French fry. This is a battle.
Yeah.
This is really cute. Oh my gosh. Wallet. Oh dear. Man, Wallet really is something, isn't he? Let's use the egg before Big Mac passes. And let's do Big Mac and Wallet. I want to see how this goes. Pretty normal. Pretty normal.
Average.
Yeah. Pretty good so far. Wow, these are really normal. I thought they were gonna be like really crazy, but they're actually pretty normal. Oh, these are cute. Seriously unstable. Okay. We're getting somewhere. We're just getting really, really unstable at this point. Alright, let's see. Oh, his little tail. Oh, we only got one. He's funky looking. This is our little guy. Little guy. Alrighty, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Remember to leave me a like, subscribe, and drop a comment down in the comment section for me to read. And if you guys want, go check out Timber's YouTube channel. She has a few videos on there that you guys might enjoy. That's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.